Losing habitats, losing food, and losing innocent little lives
is an all effect of global warming.
Now many animals are on the edge of becoming extinct.
Polar bears, butterflies, and many other animals are being affected by global warming.
But you can help by saving power. Here are a few ways.
Turn the lights off in a room when you're done using it.
Instead of turning on a fan or air conditioning, open a window.
Turn off running water while brushing your teeth.
And close doors tightly when the AC is on, and many other ways to save energy wherever you go.
It ends with you, and only you can make a difference.
Bye!
Shut off the lights during the night. Get out of your car and bicycle far. Stop using energy. Dun dun dun. Polar bears in the sun, dun dun dun. Butterflies in the sun, dun dun dun. Polar bears, butterflies going low all day long. Save the polar bears, let's be fair. Butterflies need our help too. Polar bears crawling low, dun dun dun. Butterflies in the sky, dun dun dun. Turn off the lights when you leave the room. Stop using buses and cars too. Start using bicycles now. Save energy. All you gotta do is this. Shut off the lights during the night. Get out of your car and bicycle far, so we can help save the world.